Goa is surrounded by the sea. On Wednesday, World Ocean Day, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant called on the scientists of NIO and students of oceanography to share their knowledge and research with the government in suggesting ways and means to promote the increase in fish production in Goa by adopting modern ways to culture various fish varieties. The theme of this day was Revitalization, Collective Action for the Ocean.
Highlighting the role oceans play in everyday life, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that oceans are a major source of food, medicine, and a critical part of the biosphere. The World Oceans Day was celebrated at the CSIR National Institute of Oceanography (NIO) at Dona, Paula today. Director of CSIR NIO, Professor Sunil Kumar Singh, Head Business Development Group Dr. V. Sunil Kumar, and Head Marine Archaeology NIO, Shri Sundaresh were present on the occasion.
The World Ocean Day is a global event aimed at celebrating our oceans and their importance in our lives. Oceans have a major role in our everyday life, as the oceans are the lungs of our planet and the major source of foods, medicines, and the critical part of our biosphere. This day is the day to reflect and recognize the considerable challenges we face in maintaining the healthy oceans. As we are aware that the oceans cover the 2/3 of the surface of the earth and are the very fount of life. They generate the most of the oxygen we breathe. They absorb the large share of the carbon dioxide emissions. They provide the foods, medicines, nutrients, regulates the climate, and are important economically and the countries that have rate in tourism, the fishing, and other marine resources for the income and serve as the backbone of the international trade.
Speaking of the central government's Sagarmala project aimed at tapping the potential of rivers and oceans, Dr. Sawant said that in his recent participation at the Sagarmala meeting at New Delhi, he has emphasized the need for a combined effort by involving the knowledge and skill of NIO in making the Sagarmala project more effective.
The central government has promoted the Sagarmala project, the aiming at stepping up the potential of our rivers and oceans, increasing the productivity and the output of the nation's potential.
Participants of the Green Mussels Shinane cultivation under the CSIR NIO Skill Initiative project undertaken in Verne Rismagos were also felicitated. The Chief Minister commended this initiative of NIO in taking forward the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Swayampurna Goa through the project. William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panjim.